This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the mouse cursor size in the Bodhi Linux operating system. Let me jump over to my laptop here. I am on the Bodhi Linux operating system now. To change your mouse cursor size, by default your mouse cursor is probably a pretty tiny size, but to increase the size or decrease the size, first thing you want to do is open up the settings panel. You can left click anywhere in any open area on your desktop to bring up your main menu. Then you want to go up to where it says settings. Then you'll go straight off to the right to where it says settings panel and click on settings panel. Now in this dialog box, if you want to, you could go up to the top up here and you can click on the up arrow to expand the settings panel to full screen. Then on these tabs across the top here, you want to click on the Input tab, Input. Then you'll go straight down to where it says Mouse and Touchpad. Click on Mouse and Touchpad. And then right up top here, it says Show Cursor. You want to make sure that by default that should be checked. You want to make sure it's checked. Down below that is Size. You can move this slider to make your mouse cursor bigger or smaller. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and drag this slider out. I'm going to make it about right there. I'm going to let go of the left mouse button. Then for this change to take effect, you want to go down to the bottom and click on Apply. Then you can click on OK and Close. Now as you can see, my mouse cursor is a lot bigger size now. That is how to change your mouse cursor size in the Bodhi Linux operating system. Thanks for watching.